Hello and welcome to Simple English, where you learn English. My name is Callum Tingham and I'm your teacher. So I was recently cleaning out my bookcase, as you can see, to make my YouTube videos much nicer. We've added the lights, which I think looks beautiful. And in this bookcase, which by the way, actually I'm living in my landlord's flat, so it's his bookshelf here. A lot of these are my books, of course, but in one of the bottom shelves of the bookcase I found this, and I thought it would be fun to have a read. And then I thought, why not teach you some words that I found in this book. This is a story for children about a dirty boy who doesn't want to wash. He then is chased around the room by his own dirty clothes until he gets to the wash basin, the sink, which talks to him and says, "You've got to be clean." He then proceeds to run away, chased by sponges, until he meets a crocodile who eats the sponges and says, "Get back to your house, wash yourself clean, or I'm gonna eat you." And that's exactly what the boy does. I'm gonna read you the second page of this book, in which the boy is being chased around the room by his objects. What has happened? What's the matter? What's the reason for this rout? What a tumult, what a clatter, has the world turned inside out? Mother's irons chased the dippers, while the birdcage chased the slippers, and the slippers chased the nippers, and the poker chased the toys. What a tumult, what a racket, what a horrid, horrid noise. So there are 5 words here that I would like to teach you, and the first one is in this question. What's the reason for this rout? Rout here means something like disturbance, a loud fuss, a wild confusion. The second word is in this exclamation. What a tumult! Tumult. I quite like this word, it's quite hard to say, tumult. Tumult is something like loud and confusing noise. There was a tumult from the audience in the room. But I would use it here in this nice exclamation, what a tumult! Could be quite comical depending on who you said it to. The next one, what a clatter. This is much more common. I would personally say this. I know that I've heard my parents say this. If I've dropped a plate in the kitchen, for example, what's that clatter? It's a loud noise, like that. We also have what a racket, which is at the end of this paragraph. What a racket. It's a loud noise. What a racket. What's that racket? So if someone is being noisy, you can definitely tell them this. And finally, this phrase that I really like, has the world turned inside out? I think that this could be applied to many things. A noise, a disturbance, a crazy idea, something that's gone wrong. If you're not pleased with something, has the world turned inside out? What is wrong with this? I really like that one. I think that you could use it a lot. So there you are, there's 5 new things for you today. Thank you for watching Simple English with me, Callum Tingham. Hope that you enjoyed this selection of words from this book as much as I did. And I'm now going to put it back in my bookcase.